When it comes to getting a job done, few trucks do it better than the F-150. At Black Widow, it's such an honor to take a well-respected platform and transform it to the next level of capability and luxury. Introducing the Black Widow F-150, a truck that refines capability, luxury, and custom attitude. Whether out on the highway or tackling your favorite trails, at Black Widow, we want to ensure that drivers can accomplish any task in comfort and style. Each Black Widow F-150 features a 6-inch suspension lift system for increased ground clearance and more aggressive stance. To complement the lift system, the Black Widow F-150 utilizes premium Fox 2.0 Adventure Series shocks to provide drivers with a smooth, compliant ride in any terrain. Once we have the vehicle's stance adjusted, we move on to the vehicle's wheel and tire packages. Black Widow Ford F-150s are available in both 20-inch and 22-inch wheel options. No matter the wheel size chosen, we offer our proprietary wheels in either satin black or gloss black and milled finishes to suit any preference. Whether the 20-inch or 22-inch wheel size is chosen, we wrap those wheels in premium 35-inch all-terrain tires for proven performance no matter the conditions. More custom touches on the exterior of the truck abound, from our custom Black Widow grille with body color matched accents to the custom fender flares. Each Black Widow Ford F-150 is adorned with features that can't be found anywhere else. Details matter, and that's why we take notice of the smaller features than many custom shops or DIY builders might miss. The Black Widow F-150 also features custom functional hood and fender vents, branded brake caliper covers, and of course, our iconic Black Widow badging. For the pinnacle in customization, our industry-leading in-house paint team can fully custom paint any Black Widow F-150 to suit any driver's taste. With the visual aspects covered, we make sure every Black Widow Ford F-150 sounds as brawny as it looks by installing a catback exhaust system for the perfect amount of rumble to your commute. Many custom shops would call a vehicle with a custom exterior a finished product, but not at Black Widow. While we offer custom wheel-to-wheel side steps as the standard offering, owners can choose to upgrade to powered side steps for even easier access to the cab. The exterior is just the beginning with the Black Widow Ford F-150. Inside the cab, the Black Widow F-150 features branded door sills, tinted front windows, Black Widow logo puddle lights, red LED interior lighting, and Black Widow logo stitched headrests. Just like the exterior, we offer options on the interior as well. For those wanting the ultimate luxurious experience, we offer custom Black Widow upholstery in either red or silver stitching for the perfect finishing touch on the interior. The Black Widow Ford F-150 is a full turnkey custom vehicle. It features everything a true enthusiast could want: premium upgraded suspension, custom wheels, tuned exhaust, and a luxuriously appointed interior combined in a turnkey, hassle-free package. Each truck features full recalibration on all systems, from the speedometer and odometer to the cameras and blind spot monitoring. Each truck meets federal motor vehicle safety standards and retains its factory warranty, while also carrying an additional 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all parts purchased as part of the Black Widow package. Last but not least, each Black Widow package is fully financeable through your dealership. For more information on this and all of our Black Widow packages, visit our website, blackwidowtrucks.com.